Good morning, everyone. Today, the world is full of challenges, competitions, and everyone wants to be ahead of everyone else. To fulfill these desires, a whole day seems to be a very short period of time, which gives rise to erratic sleep patterns. The ALS project, which was conducted by me, Krish Gupta, Krishika Gupta, Lavanya, and Yash, proved to be a very fine source of knowledge about this topic. We conducted a survey of about 60 students, which will be elaborated by Krishika.
We conducted a survey of 60 people, including youngsters and adults, and I would like to share what we got to know from the survey. Around 38.3% people have weak eyesight and watery eyes throughout the day, and 33.3% suffer from headache and drowsiness. The major problem faced by youngsters related to sleep is difficulty in waking up, and about 45% people agree to this. Even a lot of them wake up in the middle of night. Since youngsters face a lot of problem in waking up, they must sleep at late hours, and the reasons behind it are they finish studying till then and they feel sleepy. You can see. Apart from this, 53.3% people believe that uninterrupted internet facilities are the reasons why youngsters are hooked to gadgets at late night hours. Now, Lavanya will share what challenges were faced while making the report.
Conflict is one of the biggest challenges facing any team. Conflict or a difference of opinion can be healthy, and if carefully managed, it can trigger useful debates. It is one of the major challenges that I faced because I had to match my teammates' opinion and ideas finally come to mutual understanding. The other challenge I faced was time. Many times it used to happen that when I was free, my teammates may have tuition or other tasks, and when they are free, I am busy. So it was very difficult for us to connect together for a discussion at a common time. Also, many times it used to happen some of us could not put up the ideas on the table because of hesitation. Later, those ideas actually turned to be brilliant. Sometimes our work used to get delayed because we used to have a lot of pressure of other things to be completed. Now the solution to erratic sleep pattern will be shared by you.
Youngsters having problems in sleeping pattern can follow some procedures like changing their lifestyle and going to sleep at proper time, having good sleep hygiene, waking early in the morning, avoiding the gadgets at least 2 hours before bed, sleeping in a quiet and dark and cool space, getting physical exercise within and but not within an hour of bedtime can help them to have a peaceful night's sleep and feels refreshing after sleep. This can help these youngsters to have a healthy life.